Hello friends, welcome to RinkusRasoi. Today I am going to share a very yummy and flavorful soup, and that is Thai clear vegetable soup. So it's very quick and easy to make, yet is very flavorful. So let me show you how we can make Thai clear soup. So to make the clear soup, first I am taking 4 stalks of lemongrass. I am using the lower part of the lemongrass, and now I'm just going to bruise it a little bit. The reason to do this is like it will release the oil and the flavor. So I'm just going to lightly bruise it. And now I'm going to cut this. So these are our lemongrass. Now I'm using some galangal. So I'm taking 1 each piece of galangal, and I'm just going to roughly chop it. Then I am using some lime leaves. These lime leaves also I'm just going to roughly crush it. So this will release the oil from the lime, and that will give you a very nice flavor and aroma. So just roughly crush it. And this also again bruise it a little bit. And then I'm going to use 1 green chili. This is just for the flavor. So same thing, I'm just going to bruise it 1 time. And some lime peels. So now I'm going to add everything in this pressure cooker. So here I have took some water. In this water I'm going to add lemongrass, galangal, lime leaves, lime peels, green chili, and then lime leaves. I'm just going to again just roughly crush it. And I'm going to add everything. And now I'm going to pressure cook for 2 whistles. So this is done. So I'm just going to open it. Oh my God, it smells amazing. The flavor of the lemon and the galangal and lemongrass, so yummy flavor. So I'm just going to strain everything, and I'm just going to transfer this liquid into a pan. So just strain this. So I transfer this clear liquid in this pan. Now in this pan I'm going to add 1 cup of vegetables. This peas and carrot. This is frozen vegetable, so it's already half cooked. So I'm just going to add it over here. So if you are using fresh peas and carrots, so you just steam little bit and then use it over here. And I am also adding 1/4 cup of a broccoli. I just cut it in a very small pieces. And now just add a little bit salt to taste. And let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add some tofu pieces in it. So I just cut the tofu in small pieces. I'm just going to add in it. Now let the tofu cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So as you can see, everything is nicely cooked. And look at this, it looks so nice. So I'm just going to switch off the flame, and I'm going to take this into the bowl. So here Thai soup is ready to serve. Look at this. All the vegetables, and it looks so yummy. So enjoy this flavorful aromatic soup at your home, and I will see you next time with a new episode of RinkusRasoi. Till then, happy cooking!